Welcome to Nomad High Income Skills, episode 42. Today, we're diving into how to master paid diagnostic workshops and turn them into premium remote income. Hook. If you're a nomad trading free discovery calls or low-rate gigs, you're shrinking your visa options and your runway. One focused, paid 60 to 90-minute diagnostic workshop fixes that. It creates immediate, reportable income you can show on contracts, proves value fast, and hands you the exact deliverable buyers need to sign a retainer. Today, I'll show you how to build this into a repeatable system that converts. Why this matters right now. Governments and visa officers want steady, contractable income. Clients want compact, high ROI interactions that don't waste their time. A paid diagnostic session does both. It compresses selling and value delivery into one monetizable touchpoint. You earn income today, you produce evidence of work, and you put the buyer in a position where saying yes to a retainer is the natural next step. This is especially powerful for copywriters, marketers, designers, and AI consultants who can show a measurable lift or a prioritized roadmap in a single call. Framework overview. A 4-part repeatable blueprint. 1. Design the workshop so it produces one measurable outcome. 2. Package and price it for visa qualifying income with the right deposit and terms. 3. Deliver during the session to create a usable artifact and surface quick wins. 4. Follow up with a tight proposal and a 7-day close cadence. We'll walk step by step, and I'll give you scripts and pricing rules you can use this week. Step 1. Design the workshop. Your goal is one measurable outcome. Examples: a prioritized 3-point conversion roadmap, a 2-page audit summary with a revenue impact estimate, or a tested headline and hero section that increases click-throughs. Keep the scope tight so you can deliver live or within 24 hours. Your checklist. 1. Define the single outcome in one sentence. 2. Identify the deliverable you can produce during the call. 3. Map roles and tools. Who gathers data, who presents, what templates you'll use, and what the client must provide in advance. Use a 5-question intake form to pre-qualify and collect the 2 pieces of data you need most: access to analytics or examples, and the client's conversion goal. Design tips. Pick a deliverable that is both tangible and sellable. An audit summary with 3 prioritized recommendations that include estimated dollar impact works for copywriters and marketers. For designers, deliver a sample wireframe and priority backlog. For AI consultants, produce a small prompt set or a mapped automation that saves X hours. Always phrase the outcome in terms of business impact. Increase demo signups by X%, or reduce cart abandonment by Y points. That's what buyers and visa officers understand. Step 2. Package and price. Pricing rules for visa qualifying income. Aim for a minimum single session price that's meaningful on a visa application. A rule of thumb is at least 1 month's living expenses for your target location, or a clearly contractable amount clients recognize as professional consulting. Structure. Require a non-refundable deposit of 30 to 50% to book. Accept bank transfer or card payment up front, so income is reportable. Issue a short contract that lists deliverables, payment terms, and use rights. Positioning language. Call it a paid diagnostic workshop, 60 to 90-minute revenue assessment and actionable roadmap. That wording signals value and reduces objections. Pricing examples. If you're a solo copywriter in low-cost markets, $400 to $900 for a 60-minute diagnostic is appropriate. Mid-market consultants charge $1,200 to $3,000. Specialized AI consultants and design strategists can charge $3,000 to $7,500 for a workshop that includes a deliverable and a prioritized roadmap. The exact number depends on your niche, but the principle is this: price so the session itself is meaningful income, not a token. That makes it visa qualifying and positions you as a premium provider. Step 3. Deliver to convert. Run of show template. 1. 5 minutes. Rapport. Confirm goals, restate the one metric we're addressing. 2. 15 to 25 minutes, rapid audit. Share findings live, show data or examples, and highlight the top 3 friction points. 3. 20 to 30 minutes, co-create the solution. Walk through prioritized recommendations and show a quick mock or rewrite live. 4. 10 minutes, quantify impact and recommend next steps. The deliverable should be completed in session or delivered within 24 hours, a concise audit summary, a prioritized roadmap, or the sample page copy. During the call, surface one quick win the client can implement in the next 48 hours. That win is your selling hook. Here are 3 prioritized actions. If you want, I can take these and implement them over a 3-month retainer so we can measure impact and iterate. Based on today's findings, a retainer to deliver and optimize this work starts at X. I'll send a proposal with options by end of day. Would you like me to include a performance milestone plan? Step 4. Follow-up that closes. Immediate follow-up template. Within 4 hours, email the deliverable, branded audit PDF, restate the top 3 recommendations, include a clear proposal with 2 pricing tiers and a 1-page scope, and set a 7-day decision window. Use this cadence. Day 0, deliverable and proposal. Day 2, brief check-in asking if they have questions. Day 5, share a concise case example or ROI estimate tied to their numbers. Day 7, call or message for the decision. Keep messages short, outcome-focused, and include an easy payment link and deposit instruction. Follow-up email subject and opening line example. Audit plus 3-step roadmap. Proposal enclosed. 48-hour deposit option. Body opener. Thanks for a great session. Attached is your audit and the 2 retainer options. Reaction retainer, implementation plus optimization, and strategy retainer, deep analytics plus roadmap. Both include measurable milestones and a 30% deposit to reserve scheduling. That clarity removes friction and makes the next step transactional rather than conversational. Curious case study. An anonymized example. A freelance copywriter ran 3 paid 90-minute workshops at $1,200 each over 2 months. Each workshop produced a 2-page audit and a sample hero section. Results: immediate income of $3,600, which counted as contract income for a visa application. Within 30 days, the copywriter closed 2 retainers, one for $45K over 6 months and another for $30K. Messaging used in the proposal: priority conversion roadmap, implementable within first 30 days, measured by leads and conversion rate. They used the 7-day close cadence and included a 30% deposit. The key levers were clear deliverables, measurable targets, and a short, enforceable decision window. Common mistakes nomads make and how to avoid them. 1. Free discovery. Mitigate with a paid intake and a clear boundary. Discovery is the workshop, not a free audit. Underpricing. Charge for the business value you create, not the time. Unclear deliverables. Always deliver a 1-page summary with measurable KPIs and next steps. No deposit or payment terms. Require payment upfront so income is reportable and clients are committed. Simple mitigations: a short intake form, a reusable workshop template, a deposit, and a 24-hour deliverable SLA dramatically reduce risk and increase close rates. Immediate action you can take this week: book 1 paid diagnostic workshop. Use the following checklist. 1. Create a 1-sentence outcome and a 1-page deliverable template. 2. Set a price and a 30-50% deposit. 3. Publish a 3-question intake form and a short booking page. 4. Run a pilot with a warm lead this week and use today's script beats. If you do 1 workshop, you'll generate income and a concrete deliverable to convert into a retainer. That's 1 step closer to visa qualifying predictable revenue. Want templates, scripts, and the full follow-up sequences? Visit nomadlifesuccess.com/courses to get the paid diagnostic workshop kit, a plug-and-play template, intake form, example contracts, and email sequences you can use today. That's your blueprint. Ready to go deeper? Visit nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. Your skills are your superpower. Let's turn them into premium rates and true location freedom.